Hey guys, so here's a video of the ceiling fan display at Lowe's. There's this thing, I don't know what this thing is. This is a Harbor Breeze Builder's Best. This is, I forgot the name, but it's some Harbor Breeze thing. Harbor Breeze Beach Creek, I'm pretty sure. That's some Hunter thing. Harbor Breeze Cedar Shoals. Harbor Breeze, I forgot. Harbor Breeze Fairwind. I don't know what that thing is. Harbor Breeze Armitage. I don't know what that thing is. Harbor Breeze Armitage 2. Harbor Breeze Centerville. Harbor Breeze Mayfield. Harbor Breeze Centerville. Harbor Breeze Centerville. Harbor Breeze Maison. I don't know what that thing is. Harbor Breeze Sailstream. Harbor Breeze Maison. Harbor Breeze Centerville, Harbor Breeze Centerville, Harbor Breeze Mayfield, Abuse, Harbor Breeze Pawtucket. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. Harbor Breeze Winstead, and then this fan. I'll pull the chains on it if I can reach it. Yeah, I can't reach that, but yeah. Harbor Breeze Mac, Harbor Breeze Centerville, all the boxes to the fans. Harbor Breeze Maison. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and bye.